I started.
Good luck.
Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. Where are we? Where are we? Okay, that's fucking sound. Okay, let me just pause it. I wanna check how I sound. Because I got a new mic, and by I mean my girlfriend got a new mic that I stole. Ooh, fancy. I like it. We are gonna open this on our... Oh, look at this. See? See, if you look at the stream, bottom right, you can see chat messages. Why? Because I made chat. You know the chat we've been working on. I started it. By started, I mean I'm running it right now. Fuck yeah. So it's working. That's good. So let's see. I'm perfectly fine. Let's turn on some music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's perfect. Let's turn that back on. I can lower it for myself a lot because that's loud for me, but not for you guys. Now I don't need thingy magics anymore. That's perfect actually. Fuck yeah. And if I write in YouTube chat, yo, yeah, there should be, yeah, fuck yeah, there it is. See, it works. And I knew it was gonna work, obviously. I totally wasn't worried about YouTube. Yes, I'm fine, don't worry. But like, share and subscribe. So hello, hello, Mr. Chat. How are you doing? I hope you're doing awesome. Like she says, I hope you're doing great. We are continuing our work on this. I hope the chat doesn't look bad. If it does, I'm sorry, but it is what it is. Let me. This way it's away from the chat. So we are continuing our work on this, but not really. Well, we finished practically all of this. What I wanna do is backend development now for for like looking at the messages like an admin. For example, if I dislike a message that I sent, which could be, for example, this one, I can go into the admin panel, in quotation marks, and be like, hey, right click delete, or just there's like a knob here that like click delete. That would be actually perfect, you know. So that's what I want to do, and if I can, that would be actually great. What else? That's actually practically what I want to do. And then maybe, and it would be nice, but maybe we could, you know, use this and make it as a service, sell, you know. Money is never something that we could not use, and we could certainly use money. We also would wanna add at some point support for the, is that the to-do? Probably one of these, yeah. What we wanna do is probably, what is it? Fuck my brain. Fuck, what did I wanna do? Fuck. I can't fucking remember at all. Okay, we have this. And then messaging them? Better TV emotes, or whatever the fuck, what am I using here? Not better TV, it's 7 TV emotes. So we want to have 7 TV emotes. That would be great. Now, you might be looking at this and being like, did you not fix any of this, or what the fuck? And that's not true, I actually did fix it. I do my work sometimes. So we can go through here and look at the commit history. And you can look like how I did it throughout the week, because I am lazy. There's a difference. So I think this was the last one we did. No, the traverse one is last one. And from there I just implemented everything slowly. I did a lot of nice messages and stuff, so you can go ahead and look through them. Just, I mean, for you great, for me fucking bothersome, but it is what it is. Yeah, we have a mess now this where we can see all the messages, which is and it can be used in OBS, which is why you can see the messages on the stream. So what else? I practically did all of this. So we did connect to YouTube, as you saw. We go back here. Here is a YouTube message from me on YouTube. So yeah. Then what did do? This is X with the code. Yep. Did fix this. As you can see, multiple messages doesn't go out forever. At data, we didn't do this. It will be nice. This we need to do, and this we need to do. So this is what we are gonna do this stream. Categories. This would be great for this stream. So let's go ahead and fix this. When was the last stream? Maybe save them all. Fuck you. When was that? Number 8. June 3rd. What the fuck is that? June 3rd is... June 3rd, so it's 3 June 2024 stream, and so we did that stream. So for this stream and probably a lot more, what we want to do is make a backend in Zig. So have some favorite messages or categories. Oops. Some messages to Twitch. This is like on the back burner, so we can do like a back burner. I should probably like do it this way, so it's like this at the top.
You think it's the one on the left?
That's nice. Okay. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. That was sad. I thought that you can just like put it in the Explorer.
They're back.
No. Let me see. What do I wanna do? And it's being saved to this DB outside. So I ran all of this with VM2, so it's not gonna interfere with our current work, which is actually good. Let's go back here. Combine chats. The way I did this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The way I did all of the committing was very funny. So this is for backward, like this is also backward. What? No, fuck life. Lol. I can't even. Yeah, that's perfect. Yes. Okay, yes, and we wanna have a server. So now, this server is not gonna be only not HTTP server, it's gonna be an HTTP server as well. Fuck yeah.
My instant stopped responding.
Let's see. And we did look at this HTTP server last time. It certainly wasn't last night. So we can use that. This is also made by the same guy who is doing the WebSocket server, so that will be good. Cool. Hello. A new Twitch viewer joined. Hello, Billy. See, this is fun. I can actually see it. Oh, okay, so that's also on the back burner, it seems. Can I move all of this? Fuck, I guess. What we don't show. Can I pop this so I can show people? Yes. Hello, Twitch, please. Yes, I can. So, nice. So we don't show this coloring, which we could also do. That would be fun, or nice, I guess, at least. Not fun. Let's go and add that. Back button. Switch colors. Color. Well, that's good because we only need to do 17 emotes, so I guess plus color. What is their name? Or even better, make users pay for the color usernames in chat because why the fuck not? Make our own coloring because fuck that. Fuck that. Yeah. How are you doing, Billy? I hope you're doing good. So it's slow. Sure. That's interesting. I don't know. I'm gonna go with this. They say it's slow, and if they say it's slow, it's probably slow. Funny haha lol. Let's see. I need to import it, and I need to. Well, hello from. Fuck! I wanted to learn how to say his name. Spherophobia. Yes, Spherophobia. Is that the correct way to say it? I hope it is, because if it isn't, fuck, I don't know. He's also a smart guy, that's why I'm watching him. I was like, I need to stream, fuck, too. I couldn't for a few days, because I was trying to commit all of this. Committing like 30k, I was about to overestimate this button. Lucy, do I have a Lucy? I have something. Fuck, how do I get all of the things that like lines of code? I know I had something lock. Well, I don't know. I agree, it's very hard. But we are gonna be working with something similar to front fucking. So I guess, but at least it's gonna be in Zig, so it's gonna be funny because we're gonna suck at it. Like forgetting to free some memory or freeing some memory too many times, which has happened a lot of times. Fuck, line of code program. S-lock, probably S-lock. Clock? One of fucking yes, clock. But if there's like D source. They don't support Zig, so I don't have anything. Oh fuck. Okay, so we have 18 text files, whatever the fuck that means. Doesn't matter. I need to figure out how I import these shits. Because currently I'm importing WebSocket with a submodule in depth here. But probably the smarter way would be to use build ZigZone, which is what I'm using for SQLite. So maybe we can move that to here. WebSocket, I guess. WebSocket. What am I doing in build Zig? Let's zoom in a bit for you guys. What do you work on, Billy? Anything special? Okay, so we do. What do we do? I don't fucking know. Get modules. Branch. Okay, so what we're gonna do is cd depth web get status get. Okay. How do I get a full commit? Get log. Ooh. Yay. Is it this? 3DA7, yep. Oh, fancy. Haven't done it. very fancy web game dev in a really long time, like any time though actually, which is sad. I should do it, like some game dev. What type of game is it? Okay, we're gonna do this Sha, this Sha, and then instead of this it's gonna be, there is the socket, this, I'm guessing this, and it's gonna be like, hey, this, okay, fuck no, how do I, okay, yes, Zig has a weird ass formatter sometimes, and I don't like it. And then, this thing.
Here we go.
It's on my web browser again, so I'm making a bit hacking want to track all players. Oh. Ah, so you so you're playing a game and then you're making a traitor mod. I like it. That's good. Okay, Zig, please, don't format this shit. You don't know how to format. Okay, this is the HTTP one. What does this say? No, don't do silent care. 000 HTTP Z. I keep saving and then regretting it right away. That's so fucking fun. I don't know what to do. And then we remove these hashes. Save. Want to kill ourselves, and then try again. Zig build. Fuck, I need to figure out how these.
Hello.
How do these work? It's archive. Then it should be like this, unless I'm missing something. GitHub code archive at. Fuck. Hash. From what I know, I'm using this SQLite thing. It is literally that, isn't it? Installation official package. Archive commit tar archive commit tar.jz WebSocket. Yeah, cargo. I was very close to going from this project to like writing my what is it? Fuck. My create manager, dependency manager, because like fuck this shit. Curl. Let's get not found. Fuck my name. This means that I'm just gonna go ahead and stick to this, to the fucking submodules. Cause fuck it, I don't care. Submodule, add. Fuck. Okay, get submodule and dash help, because I never fucking remember. So you have branch. What we are gonna do, because we are gonna do this correctly this time, obviously, is we are gonna fork and hope it's not a breaking thing. HTTP Zig. Yes, sure, let's go with that. Let's finish, let's wait for the fork to happen so I can just not have to think about it. So we are add. What do we do? We don't need branch. We don't need force. Name. Nope. Repository path. So this is HTTP. What am I using here? Oh, HTTP. It's gonna be public either way. This and then path is gonna be in depth. HTTPZ. Depth. Perfect. Even better. Okay. It's all there. Fuck yeah. Then I need to add depth. Like this, it's gonna be HTTPZ. Depths, HTTPZ, source. What's the main one here? What the fuck? URL? What? HTTPZ? Question mark. Build. Yes, source HTTPZ. Perfect. It's gonna be fucking fine server. Yeah, it's better if I just do everything like this. It's gonna be HTTPZ WebSocket.conf. We don't need this and this, and then we can just we don't need HTTPZ here. Okay. I hope you find this fun, because I don't know. I do somewhat, so I hope you, the viewer, do too. It will be weird if you don't. Water! Or did I fuck something up again? Probably. Oh no. Why is this? Oh, I need to... what do I need to? Zig cache. Why do I have Zig cache, for fuck's sake? Can I remove this? Like... doesn't fucking matter to me. What did I change? I built that thing. I agree. Dependency fuckery is the best. Oh no, it's WebSocket and protocol. I'm fucking blind. Pro. It's probably gonna be pro. It should probably be protocol at first, so I don't forget it. Also here, protocol. WebSocket. Perfect. This is why all those old, in quotation marks, program languages suck now, because you need so many dependencies and like you don't have them. Like it's hard to get them. I don't ever want to fight with fucking CMake or something. Like the best I use is, let's see if I can find it in game, is Premake. Like this is what I use for like Vulkan game engine thingy magic that I did on stream for a bit, and then I get back into every once in a fucking blue moon. But it's like simpler, and even then I need to do like get modules for everything, and it's so fucking sad. And it's in C++, which is why it's so fucking weird. Like I shouldn't have to write 103 lines of fucking dependency of in a file to be able to just run a program with a few dependencies. I should be able to do like cargo, add that, and then boom, I can use it in my fucking project. But it is what it is. Let's see. Haha. Now we have the HTTPZ server. Mm-hmm. I don't know what the fuck I did here. We have the database. This is the context for the WebSocket. That's probably gonna have to move to the WebSocket thing. I don't know actually how the fuck that's gonna work. Actually maybe I do know how it's gonna work. We'll figure it out together. So let's see, what do I need for the WebSocket server? Not the WebSocket, the HTTPC server. Have a server and listen to it. Very good. Get user. Okay, so you have to route them all, which is fine. And from what I remember, it's all like that's fine. It's like a thread per connection, which should be fine for me because I'm gonna have me and then the end. But let's see. In GPS. So this is what we need. So we have some global context. And this is allocator, and this is like context global. Init allocator. So so there's a server and then there's a server with context. Do I have context for now? I don't think I need context for now. So let's start with this simple case. This might be even better.
Yes, it is.
How do I have WebSocket here? God knows. I should have deleted that shit. Oh. Allocator is too many words. Get user not found and error handler. Sure, let's put that here. Perfectly fine with that. You can also get all. Perfect. Listen. Now let's see, how do they handle a WebSocket? I know there's a WebSocket guide here. Memory arenas, don't care. Body. That's not good. Header value route, blah blah blah. Of course. This is gonna be such unsatisfying fuckery. Is it also the same port by default? No, it's 5882. It's good. Metrics, blocking, but testing. Here, WebSocket. Okay, so we can include it from here, but we're gonna include it separately because we are fancy. So you can have a WebSocket thing that does this. Okay. So here, WebSocket. So we get WebSocket. So if it doesn't upgrade, if it does, we are fine. We can have context. Why is context in here? I'm so confused why all of these are in here. Oh, they shouldn't be in here. That's fine. I'm sure it is fine. Do I want to move all of this here? So server, and then have like routes. ws.zig. Hub fn handle like this, and then we need the const. This is at import this. We don't actually, do we need this? We don't need a standard disease. Don't need SQLite. We don't need Flutter. Handler is actually. How do we do from like? Is there something like this? That would be good. Context. Actually, handler. I like handler. Context. Alloc. Yeah, there's a lot of allocs. Well, because why not? We allocate everything. Allocator life. For real, for real. Fuck. Oh, we need this context, but we need to pass it somewhere. Okay, that sounds fun. Path and action. How do I do this?
I've been watching you.
Oh, that sounds awful. Do we need that? The global state. I mean, this is, I guess, part of the global state. This context allocator, the DB. Actually, yes, this is the part of global state because we need the DB. This is connection, like, okay, yeah. Okay. Now we know what we know. We're gonna call this up WebSocket connection and in the WebSocket connection, write to all WebSockets. And then we are gonna get this. Need to get a database. And then after getting the database, we need this. Zig, I found out, has the weirdest fucking multi-line strings. Look at this shit. It's a comment. I'm like, what the fuck? Who decided that? And I'm sure there's a good reason, because I remember reading there's a good reason. I just don't remember the reason. But I'm sure it was a good reason. Routes. Yes. That can handle, motherfucker. Okay, and then server. GR context, and R is GR. That's so good, bro. Flux use case. Share global data. Okay, so this is the data and this is the type. Oh, he did streams. Oh, that's actually pretty fun. I didn't even know that. That's actually cool. I like that. But it is sad that he doesn't do that anymore. It takes third parameter. Okay. G. Parameter because the new parameter is first because has. Okay, I guess. I don't know what the fuck that means. Sure, that's a lot of yes, so much yes. Because I'm never sure which way pointers are. This way? Maybe. That seems to work. That's big. Can I nullify? Yes, I can. Right, this is the closest null I can do. Context. I would love to do language development. I did language development, but like I would love to get it to this kind of state where it actually matters. And it's not like and it's not like, oh, a toy language that I do every couple of months. Yes, but just I think not as powerful. Well, I think is it as powerful? It's not as powerful because in Rust macros you can do crazy shit, but because I did crazy shit in Rust macros, but I don't think we can do those crazy shits in here. But it's like just enough for where you don't even think about doing those crazy shit. Huh? Of course. Heroic Shield, thank you for following 23 minutes ago, I didn't even see that. If you're still in here, hello. If you're not, yeah, I'm sorry. My bad, G. What do I do? How do I... There's that thing. I'll remember it. But it's like powerful enough to make like templated structs. Instead of doing like result A, B, you can just pass it as like parameters, which is crazy. Fuck. Need to stop saving and formatting stuff. You don't need the server. What? Let's remove the server and then laugh at the pain of removing the server. How exactly do I use the... Alternatives first. Increment. So it takes global first. Oh, that's actually great. It takes like context first. Context. CTX. And then I can just pass context here, and I deleted server, and I of course not need it. Let's pass. Pass it like this. Context, yep. I'm gonna guess it worked out. Fuck, you know. I take it there, so I'm guessing it's. I fucking hate this shit. Upsocket. Yep, because yep. It's gonna be context. Like this usage as a pointer. Handler, request response. And if we try to do zip build, it's gonna crash, of course, because I'm trying to get a server which we don't have anymore because we're different. Of course, we can't run a server that doesn't exist now. WebSocket, why do we even do that in WebSocket? Because we wanna be fancy. No, module names are started included in Yama. So I need to pass WebSocket to... I don't know if I did that ever. That's actually a good question. I don't know if I ever did that. Add? In? Import. Yes. Can I... HTTP module. This HTTP module, and then I do WebSocket first, and then do WebSocket name and WebSocket module, and then do HTTP module. Question mark. Build a module name build within module. Oh no. Does it not include the default ones? That would be crazy. If it doesn't, then I would actually have to think on how to import this, and that's not something I really ever wanna do, please. I just fix not having to import stuff. Can I please not import stuff again? He did say it's... I don't think it's not what I fucking want. Add options build. So it's metrics and WebSocket. Okay, so it's just metrics and WebSocket. I don't see any build here. Build. These are like options, but I don't think you care about those. No, I don't name build. Yay, who doesn't like fixing build errors? Yay. Oof. Where do they say that? I thought they say here. So we can keep, can I see what that is? Build? Really not, what the fuck is that? Build force. If it's been built, so you need to like. My understanding of what the fuck I need to do, it's this. Yes, passes an option build. Choose these options. So if I do force building or blocking, it builds with that. Since I'm not passing it, I don't know what that means. Options. Okay. Run test and blocking. Where do I build? Run test. Build. Okay, I'm guessing this is. Is this building? I don't know. This is the XC. So I'm guessing this is what I need to do.
Bye bye.
Oh, perfect. It's already pulled the correct way. Oh god. Ooh. They really like to get everything, motherfuckers. What to think now? That's not good. Text module. And so I need to import that. Fuck you, bro. This actually means it's gonna be easier to do this. Okay, so if it's used here, I can get it from here, hopefully. Build zigzag. Zigzag. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm doing. What the fuck is wrong with you then? How do I get all the archives? Okay. See all archives. GitHub. Not archive branches. Yes. Is it releases? Releases then, I guess. Because I don't see any release. We just kind of problem. Tags. Okay, this is gonna be fun.
That's king in a way.
So if I do this and do like permalink, it should be this. Zigzag. 79 god. So it is a different one. What the fuck? Actually, so what was updated here? Git ignore, I guess. So let's do permalink to here. So it is this. So I just had a wrong fucking how? Because I was looking at the WebSocket one. Oh no, that makes sense. Obviously the web, I don't fucking know even anymore. I don't know. It's gonna be PPZ. Let's try build. Fireplace. Expected hash. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. That's good. Who doesn't like failing and then right away fixing something. For fuck's sake. You love that. Why would you not work for a second? Okay, let me unpin this. I forgot to unpin it. No. I need to close this. I forgot to do a lot of stuff, it seems. Doesn't matter. Let's see. And then how do they use it here? How do you do HTTPG? So just be dependency HTTPG. We have a modules now. Ah, so it's just that, okay. That's literally what I'm using. So I guess module B dependency, okay. How do we get this one? Where is it? SQLite. So it's B dependency SQLite. B dependency. And then module. Okay. What? Module. HTTPG. HTTPG module. And then we do that here. And we question everything again. For like 100 millionth time, for a chance. Okay, better. That seems. Name args. What are the args? Target and optimize. I guess we should do that to Boo. Or you don't care, and we just put an empty string here. I think that's better actually. To just skip it. And then just maybe, if you remember, put it in the to-do list. What's the name? Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Oh! Okay. We need the context here. We can close this, and we can then remove the git module. Okay. Git modules. Okay. This is good, perfect actually. So what's that? That. Fuck off, thank you. And then I'm gonna need it right this moment. I can't wait for it. Yes, so this is context. And then if I build again, it might again. Let's, okay, fuck. H init. Connection context. Just get connection and context, we don't get the handshake, I guess. Which is fine by me. The less I have to do, actually better. Init, connection, socket close, self message. Perfect. So init doesn't get this handshake, which is actually so fucking fine. Connection. Server found server. Aha. Am I blind or is this the same thing? do I get some HTTP instead of them? Socket? It's probably just gonna be. Interesting. So it gets different ones, so because it's gonna be funny, you know. For fuck's sake, I'm gonna have some strong choice words like this. Actually, I can just do like this. Like this. That means I have to close the web, so I can't use WebSocket here. So let me remove that from the .zig. Like this, and then I can try to build, and it's hopefully gonna give me the correct things. This. No, that's because I did change that, did I not? Yes, it's not. Oh. Hey, look at this. Context of add. Right, so WebSockets. Remove WebSocket connection. WebSocket. Yes. Contacts. Yes, connections. And if we build, we might get a cool build. Okay, it built. That's actually surprising and unexpected. Okay, I'm gonna run. Fuck. I need to remove the window for a second for you guys, because I had Postman open before and it was for work and I don't remember what the fuck it was on. So you guys don't get to see what I was doing. I know, surprising work, but you have to do some stuff, and of course it takes like a light year for it to open itself on first try. Let's see. Yep. But I did not do this on save phones, workspaces. Yeah, perfect. Let me open this in screen. Transition for you guys. You should be able to see. Baby. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. What can I do? Fuck off. I want to see if I run Zig build run server. If I can connect to the server. Let me just get local output. Surprisingly, it hasn't changed in a long while, which usually doesn't happen. Oh wait, it probably is. Actually, yeah, it's probably gonna. Yep. But if I do it with WS and do. Okay, let me duplicate, yes, and then I do this connect or HTTP. And do HTTP and then 5 2 2 3 I think. okay, it's one of these, certainly. It's not this one, that's for sure. Fuck, what is that? What? So I missed it. 5-8, of course. Hit 2. Connect. Smiley face, please. For some reason it does double HTTP here? Why would it do that? Do that. Do that. Do that. Connection refused. That smells like trouble. Make it double. STD deval print. Got get connection. Got connection. I think let's just also make sure to log when we start. Listening on port 5882. I'm putting the port in because I keep forgetting it, so this way I should hopefully remember to see it. Let's see. Don't worry, okay. It's this number 588. So I guess good news, baby. You're not getting. Did I say it's the same IP, but it's not actually. 72, 17, 85. One next smiley face, baby. Do we have like? Okay, so let's try. No, how do I get the rest? No, I should repeat. One. HTTP colon dash dash send. Okay, wait, I think I can. Fuck, it's something for sure. It's the address, it's 00. It should probably, yep. Is 0, 0, 0, 0. This is probably the problem. That's usually what the problem is. Fuck yeah, let's see. Okay. And then if we connect to this, yes, smiley face. And if you send this, it's gonna be like fuck, no? Because this is the old one, so back and forth. So I can probably all that's test. Okay, let's see. I don't know why you need different, like these two to be different, but it is what it is. They are making it, and I'm not remaking it. Routes. Zig and const ws is import dash ws zig dash handle like this, and then we can do pub-conf here. Upon and I can do routes routes like this, and then I can remove this and we can get routes, and then I can just do routes.ws. Okay, that should work, hopefully. You don't need this. I should vessel inferior. And not found is not found. So if you do like not found, Headers, content line, cookies. What's the response? 404. Okay, that's actually good. 404 test.
Before.
404 test. 404. Lol. 404 is not found. Ha 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 ha. Know that the memory must be valid beyond your handler. Response arena. Ugh. Error handler. How fancy. Fancy pants Maggie over here. Fuck you. What is the default error handler? Okay. When we initialize it, set it to R. Should default. Okay, so this is the default one. If G is void, but G is not void, so so it's with context. Handler is literal the same thing, so we can just, and I'm gonna guess. Big surprise. What's this? This picture. That the default is not found is same. I don't need this not. What do we need though? Get user. We also don't need the get user. This is more for APIs, but is there some? Query body response one data object body query string. It's hard to pronounce. Arena per request data. This is global. This is context. Interesting. This is global. So that makes sense, I guess. To me, it's all the same. Route-based global data. Custom dispatcher. If R is void, okay. Put time and log each request, apply filters. Around the action. Does make sense. This machine can be set globally and done per route. Oh, I can do it per route. Oh. So let's see. Just since it doesn't overload. Aha. Context. Configuration, I guess. Okay, interesting. Dispatcher.
Oh, I'm.
Logged and log out. Oh, this is so true. So, we are not gonna do authentication now, but it's certainly something we need to do later.
Sure, you will.
I need to get this to do out. I need it, I can't like work without it. Future. Future. Off. Do you think, viewers, that it's better to hand roll my own authentication or use something like you need to log with Google or Twitch or whatever? Because for me, it's always like, let's use my own and then do more stuff. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Dun dun dun. The WebSocket now. What do we need more? What's next? There are context allocator. Next is probably to commit this. WebSocket connections.
Scared. I'm scared.
Okay. Please don't kidnap anyone. What the fuck are you all doing there? Oh, they're watching a movie. No one is getting kidnapped in real life. Thank fuck. I was about to be very scared. Handler, we have a main, which handles everything. Uh-huh. And then we don't have the server no more. We have routes, which just does like the WebSocket route, and then the WebSocket route. Okay, and this is something I did between the streams, and I don't know if I like it, so we're not gonna do it now. Fuck, we need also this. This is the HTTPZ.
Wow.
Can I, perchance, do this? So it did not like when I got to the GRE depth WebSocket. Its status. That's because it's the wrong branch, maybe. Get branch. This, I guess, that get status. Log.
Oh god, this is gonna fuck us up. Oh god.
Okay, interesting. Pull from this, and it was this, but it doesn't work. Get curl x get https colon dash dash github.com/carlsquin WebSocket slash tar.gz not found. What's the difference? I mean, there's no difference. So that's last, and let's see. What's the difference between these two? Awesome. What's the difference between these two? It's 2 ahead and 5 behind.
Crap out of me.
How are 2 ahead? Master Zig.
Oh,
Okay, and this is behind. 5 behind. So we can just do this. At the current one, which is the last month one. Why would it be readme all lowercase? I don't have a clue. It certainly is. Oh, fuck, I can't even copy. Can I? Copy permanent. Yep. What the fuck is that? X head. Archive. Is it archive? Yep. Dash I. What does it return? 302. Fuck does that even mean? Fuck it. X head. No, X get.
hey!
What does that mean, bro? Does this mean that this one works? Does it not work?
She's so kidnapped.
Web socket. Web socket zig. Okay. We close this and
Listen, we're watching Megan.
build
Hey, listen.
zig
Oh,
build, please.
more friends.
Okay, but now it works. This is lying to me. This is actually lying to me. This is a bitch. What the fuck? Oh, the music stopped. I completely forgot that music stopped. Let me restart it.
Josh, Megan got kidnapped first, then her friend Amy. We're gonna watch her, okay? But
Fix typo. Public. Accept is public.
let's sit down. Watch.
So this is yesterday. Clean up. Okay, so that means I can probably use master. Or let's not use master. Let's fix the reading. Correct. Copy permalink. So this is that one. And this is the last one. Let's just do the master one. Yep, what socket? Master. Press the master. So they fixed this yesterday. I don't know when yesterday was, but that's what they say. Copy permanent. And then we do this. This is it. Nope. Save it out formatting. Fuck Zig and it's formatting. And we do this hash. Just like the funniest thing ever. Just like tell it to give it its hash. Like it's gonna be, we don't provide it, then we run build, it provides it for us, and then we finish. Finito, un finito. This should work. Build quick run. We can just do this here, and for this we can do B dependency. WebSocket, there's some dependency WebSocket, a lot of WebSockets all around us, WebSockets right now. If there's anyone in chat, what's the funnest project you worked on? Like that you are particularly proud of. You don't have to be proud of it, that's the funnest one. That's what I would like to know from you guys. What would it be for me? The funnest project for you that you ever worked on. What would it be? And then the proudest one. I guess those two could be different. Maybe they're the same. This should all work. Zig run, zig build, run server. We get the not found one. We get the API user, actually we don't anymore. We do get connected to this, and that means we can disconnect too. Perfect. For what would it be for me? Let me look through my project and tell you. Actually, like I know it's probably something like, where is it? Where's the running shot?
Josh. Not this Josh.
Where the fuck is it? It's not what the JSX list. It's this JSX Rust. Oh lol. True, that's smart. For me, it's probably this JSX Rust. Sadly, never had any project that gave me money, except like that's not a job in particular. But this is like one of the like proudest of. Like after just starting Rust, practically, like not long after I started doing Rust, I how do I make a new page here? Let me see where the sex. Okay, it is public. Okay, just so I don't click anything. Is this? I did this, and it's like, what the fuck? This is practically very similar to. Okay, this is like a year, 3/4 of a year after I started doing Rust. I think. Or I don't fucking know. It doesn't matter. Like in the first year of doing Rust, and it's like something like Leptos, but obviously worse, but still fun nonetheless. Zig. Okay, just so I don't hit copy. PMP. I should not be telling you. Zig build run which connection with it. That's because I'm connecting to the wrong thing anytime. So that means for which in YouTube I should connect to another thing imaging. Where is initializing? Oh. 5 to 582 of course. HTTP :/ localhost -ws. Maybe that's gonna work. Sick build Twitch. Oh no, hostname, fuck me. Oh no. So what I'm doing is I do localhost, and then for this, but I do WebSocket. I think that's what I do. If I remember correctly, and I probably don't. Yes, there's all the messages that we like. And got a connection. Yeah, here we got the connection. And that means probably the same thing for YouTube. In. Or run, yes. WebSocket, and it's localhost, but it's 582. We need to pass the YouTube stream link. YouTube, Twitch, YouTube dashboard really doesn't like it. Yes, frontend, sadly. Even Rust can't get me to move on from frontend. Fuck it. I do try to move on from it, but I literally don't know what the fuck I wanna do then. Like I wanna do something that's not frontend, and I just get back into it somehow. Like this project, it's just supposed to be frontend, and what are we working on? Fucking frontend. Should hopefully perchance work. Okay, we got the message. Okay, that's good. So let's see. I'm so don't need the MyDB nor this. We don't need any of this for Twitch bot. We only wanna change these two things, and the same thing for YouTube bot. And then remove. I did a lot of Rust projects, and now that I think about it, they're all like, they're all like, at some point, okay, fuck, I like everything now, for fuck's sake. Yeah, okay, that's why I need to do this, doesn't matter. It's a VA. Actually, for my next project, I would like to make V8 small analog for JS. What does that mean exactly? That's what I would like to know. Look, framework JS in Rust. Like, what the fuck? Compact sector, this is fun. This is OCaml. My project doing OCaml, which is fun. Well, I mean, I didn't leak anything that you can't find like normally, but it's like my Vulkan game, which is in C++, because that's probably, I would think, still the best language for game development, because I don't know, actually I don't have a fucking clue. And we have a operating system in Rust, which is my try at it doesn't work. We have use HTTPS, which is, if you ever watch a sorting video, like when including C files over HTTPS, I did the same thing with Rust files, which is just a funny fucking thing. That's funny. Well, compressed dynamo vectors. I watched Primeagen video on. I know what's V8. I know it runs. It's the JavaScript engine. What do you mean by small analog for JS? Oh, okay. I'm stupid. You meant make a smaller JS. So you're making a JavaScript engine. I'm guessing. Okay. I also wanted to do that. I wanted to try to do like a TypeScript engine that actually like thinks of the types. So it tries to like, I wanted to do a JavaScript compiler. It's too complex to make it solo as a fun project. I agree. Let's do it together. I watched a Primeagen video and then I was like, I think I can compress vectors better. I don't know if I can. I mean, it's working. Is it working correctly? Is another case. JSX Rise. Tauri types. I don't know if you ever used Tauri. It's like it's like, what the fuck is it? Let's just say it like this. For like computer apps, but like in Rust. Yes, true. But it's at least, listen, I would love to not do front-end work. But when all of tools for making GUIs in native suck ass, I have to go to something like this and literally write just HTML. Like, I would love to not have to do it, but I have to do it because it sucks. Like, I don't wanna go GTK, or is that the fucking thing? Yes, I don't wanna do this. I saw it once, and then I was like, never again. So yeah, these are some of the fun projects. I wanna do a compiler for JS, like a TypeScript compiler. That's like, fuck, we just saw it, for fuck's sake. It probably from up repositories. That's like Hermes, Facebook Hermes. This is like a jitter, but they're also like doing a lot of like type checking. So it's like, if you have all the types, we can actually compile it and be like completely sure that it's gonna be okay. And I want to do something like that, but like a grand scheme of things, and be like, look, you can compile this, not Node.js because I can't support all of Node.js, but like this JavaScript program, TypeScript program, into a binary. Fuck you. A lot of experience with writing small languages that end up nowhere. We have my one in OCaml typo, and then we have my one in okay, it's certainly before this. Is it not? Then is it private? No, it's possible here. And this one that I did in C, and then again in C, and then in Rust. And when I started doing it in Rust, I was so fucking angry because I could not get something to work, even though I knew it was gonna work, that I just threw it. I didn't want to do it anymore. Like this rewrite. That's fun. Like I tried to do like a mutable reference to a map to insert like everywhere, and then I would need to check if it exists and then insert and do some random shit, and it would be like, oh, but you can't have a fucking reference, mutable reference in multiple places. And I wanted to choke it because I was like, yes, I can. I know what the fuck I'm doing. It worked in every other fucking language. Why are you stopping me? So yeah, and this is like some simple language in like OCaml that I'm writing. It's a compiler. Oh, these are compilers. Then they go and compile to. They compile directly to, and my brain stopped. OCaml. Lol. In an OCaml. Lol. And this is how they look. We have const and mutable, because I'm always like, why is it var, like variable or something, I think, and but in Rust we have mutable. I'm like, I'm just gonna use const and mute. I think that's fine. We have simple arithmetics, we have parentheses, hard, and like multiplication and division. Anyways, this was a fun drive-by of shit I did and projects that I think are fun. Now I need to drink more water, but first I need to like fill the water bottle with another bigger water bottle. Please don't. Would it be fun after this to raid fuck the guy that has a long ass name that I can't, whose name I can't remember ever. Fuck me. Spherophobia. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna raid him, but if I have enough viewers, otherwise I'm not gonna do it. So if you wanna go directly from this to here, we can do it. I also want to watch him, that's why I wanna do it. So we did this, and now we need to do git status, git checkout, B. What do I wanna do? This is a feature or work in progress? Is this a feature? Or do I just push this because it's fine? Actually, I can just commit this. Why not? Get status. Yeah, and then we are doing it. Yeah, I don't know if there's anyone that's active. Who is streaming right now? Let's see. Like there's L:Q. That's streaming right now. For fuck's sake. There's this guy. There's Teach, and that's it from the people I follow. So him, and then Teach DV, that you probably know if you watch Primogen. Easy. Oh, thank you. I need to follow my raider. Wait, how the fuck do I follow you? Okay, this, follow, perfect. Does this work? Hello all the raiders, join the Discord. Lol. Thank you for reading Belly Harrington. I can't read your name. I need to read it from my thing. Billy Harrington. Enjoyer. What the fuck is Billy Harrington? I don't know, Billy. I don't know. Maybe I know it by picture, but I don't know who the fuck it is. Billy Harrington. Okay, he was an actor. Let's put it there. Okay. Why would I even know him? That's a better question. Not watching that kind of Twitch stream. Oh, I would love if Firefox had a way to unload tabs. That would be actually great. What the fuck are these emotes? Wait, so can I ask you something? Have you paid 7TV for this custom paint job that you have? No, so there's a way for you to do it somehow. I'm sure then. A beta tester. Oh, it does say paint beta tester. I thought it was just a named paint that's called beta tester. But I guess it makes much more sense that you were a beta tester. When was that? When were they beta testing? Beta testing. Beta testing. I don't know. Oh yeah, I need to do a git module. Modules? Submodule. One of these commands is certainly gonna work. What the fuck? No, that's too much. Remove, please. Dang it. Add? Is there not a remove? V2, okay. I was like, I thought it was old. I was like, interesting. 7TV1. 7TV1. Okay, that's a lot of words. I don't want to look at them. Remove sub. Remove git sub module.
I noticed that.
Would you look at that? It's purple. Surprising. Git rm. File 3. Oh! Cool. Git rm dir depth printers. RF. Perfect. Did this remove it? Okay. It did. I'm so glad that it did that. Can I just delete the file? That would be even better. Git module. Smiley face, yes. That's a lot of thingy-magics that I click. Get status, get commit. I thankfully haven't removed. I don't wanna say this because I feel like if I do say it, it's gonna come true. So I'm not gonna say it. But I don't. But maybe I did remove some code accidentally at some point. I did almost like destroy my whole fucking Obsidian folder for like ideas and shit because I was stupid. But thankfully I had Git in it, so I just could do like reverse this shit. Otherwise I was gonna fucking kill it. What's the message for this? What the fuck did we even do? Moved server to. The fuck does that mean? Moved. Made server. Moved server to HTTP. This is why it took me a week straight to like push all the commits correctly. It takes me a fucking day to think of a good commit message. Mode serve from socket to HTTP. Git this git commit / amend. And let's see. Oh, that hurts the soul. That hurts the soul. That's awful. Remove sub modules in favor of Zig build system.
Okay, I'll find them.
Oh, that's so actually sad. I don't know if I ever deleted something like that. I don't know. It would be very sad if I did. But I'm not very sad, so I don't think I did. About some modules. And then what did I do? That's practically everything I did. Just shut up. 40. We have 20 minutes to do some shit and then we have to raid. Mode WebSocket and point at /ws. Move WebSocket to endpoint and /ws. Good, push. That seems fine. And now we see if we pushed it at the correct place. Smart face. Yep. Fuck yeah! Committed. Demon live. Love. Now, I did see a couple of Phyrophobia that he did some fancy shits for tools. Generate embedded resources. This is what I saw. You can embed files. That sounds fun. So I could, in theory, embed the whole client thing and just play it. That would be cool if I can. I don't know if that's smarter though. Dear, can you just be a bit?
My precious from different.
Baby.
This is my precious. And I haven't done in a long while, and I'm just
Anyways, directory.
If you like,
What files? Main. Baby. Please, if you could. Thank you. If you could. Huh? Just a second. Okay, what does this do? It prints all of this. So I think what I saw. This. So where does this print it? Output file. Output writer. Okay, that's a big move. That's probably for this. Yes. So embed. Generate embed resources. This is the step. We have generate embed resource step. Add dependency file output arg deps d source res directory arg chamber emitted bin. What does that do? I'm so confused. So it's like missing output path, dependency path, and input path. Don't worry, don't worry. It's like resources, dependencies, source. Oh no. Resources, source. Resources, source, wasm. Resources, source, wasm. Resources, source, then wasm. Okay. Wasm. 0, 1, 1, 2, and 3. Args at 3 and onwards. Dependencies and input. Dependencies and input. Dependencies. Input. So this is the dependencies. Depth D. And this is the input. And is this also the input? Oh, it probably is the wasm. Yeah, makes sense. That's the input. So it's like add this directory and then this directory too. So there's like 2 of these, and this is the input. This is the file. If it's a directory, we evoke it. And we evoke files. Otherwise, we embed file directly. And then we do this. And then zig output. So this is the output. Anonymous input resources. Anonymous input. What the fuck does that mean, bro? This is resources. Oh my god, can't read anything. This is resources, embedded local. If it's equal to this, we do invalid path. Okay, that makes sense. Let's think a bit more. Okay, that makes some sense, I guess. Would it be faster? Okay, so this is error. Response right alpha. Hop. And there goes my. Interesting. That makes sense. Would it not be easier to do like a cache map? Or is it not easier to make it have a cache map? I don't know. Okay. Is it better? Is it better to embed more static files? Maybe. Don't work on it. Pass into the executable. Pass into double HTTP. Yeah. Can you? Is a better answer? It should. Billy, if you're still here. No, actually, Billy, enjoy it. Is it better? What do you think? Is it better to embed the static resources or not to embed them? Because I don't fucking know. I guess you don't have to. In your professional opinion, what do you think? I don't know either. I want to know your opinion. Because it feels like it would be easier for it to be read and sent. But I don't have a fucking clue. To write resources, you can also store result byte. Yeah, byte. Embed binary file. bytes noise. Right. Yes, I mean that makes sense. Storing as base. You can convert. Why would you do string? Is it an also isn't string a byte array? What the fuck? Yeah. Yeah. I guess we are embedding files. That's gonna be fun. Fancies. We have this embed tracers in this. That makes sense. In Zig, you can, so in Zig, you access embedded resources directly without overhead of caching small pieces data to get needed file. That makes sense. Interesting. Get needed file. Yeah. Huh, interesting. Should I use a hash map or just like, because here, if you look at this, here's implementation, like spherophobia is spherophobia. Spherophoria. Makes sense, it wouldn't be a phobia. Phoria. Spherophoria. Phobia. Phoria, yeah. He make. Yeah, like I don't see why you would loop it if you can just like be like, hey, this is the thingamajig. This is the path. Do you have the path? No. Okay, bye. No parent. This reminds me of that meme. Fuck, can I find it? No bitches meme. This no bitches meme. This is the funniest fucking meme. Where can I create it? No bitches meme. Yeah. No parent. Bottom text. My humor is broken. He's working on this ball machine, and every time he says ball, I laugh and then die inside. We are just gonna go bloop, copy, and go into like, this is for server. Source, I like tools slash. What's the fucking name of this file? Zig. Does this copy actually the whole file? Yes. Okay, so at least we all have equally broken humor. That's good. I was scared it's only me. And this. So instead of it doing this, but it's not in a main function, so it's. Does it work? Let's see how he uses it. Resources. Yeah. Okay. I now understand why he did it this way. You can't push in like, because it errors out. You can't just push, or can you actually push? Well, this is the time to find out. Const map is std string, but there's even comp time map. Fuck yeah, comp time map. Comp times string map. That sounds correct to me. It's gonna be const u8. Oh, so we can literally do this. Export this without any change of this. and should work even faster probably. Faster being a very like strong word for this. Because we don't need to save the path, it's gonna be in this. So we KV list. Kilovalue list. KV list I'm guessing is KV 0 and 1. So KV list is a tuples. Pairs tuples. You can pass struct. Only keys. Okay, so it's a tuple. Tuple struct. Tupac struct. Once resources is gonna be, and it's gonna be like string const. Fuck, it's like this. Such a weird ass way to do it. From braces. Output writer. So it's an array. And then where do we print more shit? You don't need. I guess probably. That's somewhat fun. And we can go to the Zig. CD tools. Zig, run, dash. Let's think about this. Output path is out.zig. Depths. The fuck is depths? 0, 1. What's depths writer? Depths. And then slash client. Let's try to run it. Oh, doesn't work. No parent. Oh fuck. I'll have to. I have to commit to this. Please remove. Yes, private. Yes. Don't worry. Download image. And I also wanna have one without this. Okay, now I have this, and I need to make it a command or something. That's gonna be fun. Out tools like this, and then gonna do this. No parent. Fucking my friends. No.
You were watching a fucked up movie, I'm sorry.
Don't worry. STD debug print parent path. Oh, yes. Don't worry, it like this, and then we can check which one fails. Out.zig. Where the fuck is this in code from? Oh. No one. Oh, we open directory. Okay. Look at your stuff. Out stuff. Like this. It's a fucking lie. So what the fuck is this? So how is he calling it? That's the question. So it's depths.d for source-res. Output directory. I don't even have an output directory. But... Zero, 1. So it's first is output directory. Okay. And then this is some depth file. Touch depth. arcs, right? Do we need to do this? Does it support like this maybe? Error is there. So it shouldn't be a deal. What the fuck? Okay, question for you. Do we continue working on this later? Or, and by later I mean tomorrow. And raid now or raid when he starts the stream? Or do we not raid? Let's do offline raid. Of course. What? Okay, he's gonna start in like... He starts on the clock usually, so you can just wait. The other streamer, like, I have a chatter, and like we are like saying, should we just raid him? we will. Where the fuck is this? ZigLang. If it's this. So out stuff should obviously be a file. So touch stuff type. I'm so fucking confused by this. No problem. 87. Correct. You open a directory. So we had a dir. So what we do? I'm so fucking confused. 8820. How? So we are going into a file and getting the directory of the file. I'm so fucking confused. I don't fucking know. Do tell when he starts, please, if you're watching him. Let's see. But if it's not a tier, we get not a tier, but if it is a directory, we get is there problem. What? No, I'm gonna probably raid him and then like finish, because I've been streaming for around hour and a half, 2 hours, almost practically 2 hours. Then we shall raid, shall we not? How do we raid? Raid. Raid this. The raid has been created. Okay, it's going in 6 seconds. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow then. Bye bye, chat. Bye. Have we raided? I don't have a clue.